3 stories, 1 warning. Never leave a child in a hot car. It's the kind of tragedy no one ever thinks could happen to them. Until it does. Every summer in America, headlines break our hearts, again and again. Baby dies after being left in hot car. Father forgets infant in backseat. Toddler found unresponsive in vehicle on 104 degrees Fahrenheit day. These stories aren't just statistics, they're real lives, real families, forever changed. Let me share with you 3 real cases that shook our nation and should serve as a wake-up call for us all. Austin, Texas, July 2022. It was a Friday afternoon. A father had just finished a chaotic morning. He was supposed to drop off his 8-month-old daughter at daycare before heading to work. But in the rush of juggling emails, phone calls, and lack of sleep, he drove straight to the office. For 8 hours, his car sat in the parking lot under the blistering Texas sun. It wasn't until he returned to his car after work that he discovered the unthinkable. His daughter still strapped in the back seat. She didn't survive. He collapsed in the parking lot, sobbing, screaming, unable to breathe. Orlando, Florida. August 2019. A babysitter, running late for her shift, forgot that the 3-year-old boy she was watching had fallen asleep in the back seat. She parked the car, locked it, and went inside to work. The child wasn't discovered until it was too late. Temperatures inside the car had reached over 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The babysitter had been caring for the family for years. Her grief was unimaginable. The child's parents were devastated, but they forgave her. Their only request: please make sure this never happens to another child. Phoenix, Arizona, June 2020. A mother of 3 took her older kids into a grocery store, thinking her 10-month-old was with her husband. He thought the baby had stayed with her. Neither realized she was still in her car seat. By the time they found her, she was unconscious. Miraculously, she survived, but not without trauma, for her and for the parents who now live with haunting guilt every day. This can happen to anyone. The truth is, many of these tragedies happen to loving, responsible parents, doctors, teachers, caregivers, people just like us, distracted, tired, overwhelmed. This is not about blame. It's about building habits that protect our children, no matter what. How to never forget your child in the car. Make look before you lock your daily ritual. Put your phone, purse, or shoe in the back seat. Use car seat reminders or baby alarm. Ask your daycare to call if your child doesn't show up. If you see a child alone in a car, act. Call 911 immediately. Final words. Children are precious. Their lives are fragile. And in the heat of summer, one moment of forgetfulness can turn into a lifetime of heartbreak. Please, don't assume it could never happen to you. Build the habit. Save a life. Let's protect our little ones together.